Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your skills on the Enki-Learn to Code application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the skill map section next to the mission button at the bottom of the page, and here go to the edit skills button at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find another skills, for example coding intro, Python, JavaScript, web, data analysis, and author, and just select one and click to the save button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.